A place card can be a fun way to make your Thanksgiving table feel extra inviting. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy place card that you can use to complement your Thanksgiving tablescape. For each place card, you'll need 1 clothespin, 2 googly eyes, red and orange felt or construction paper, some fall leaves, and slips of paper with the names of your guest. Be sure to watch till the end to see a fun embellishment that you can add with glitter. Totally optional. We'll start by putting the face on the turkey. Taking my orange felt, I'm cutting triangles to use as the beak. You could use construction paper or even white paper that you colored orange. Next, with my red felt, I'm just freehanding an S-like shape for the gobblers. Don't worry about making them all exactly the same. In fact, I think a unique gobbler adds a little charm. Next, I'll grab my clothespin, making sure that the grabby side is pointed up. Using my hot glue gun, I'll attach the gobbler first, then place the beak on top. The last step in the turkey face here is attaching the googly eyes. I got this cool set of 700 multi-size googly eyes off of Amazon. The first time I went to open it, I had the wrong side up and nearly had a googly-eyed disaster. So I made myself this little label to help prevent that from happening again. If you don't have any googly eyes, you could also just draw them on the clothespin with a marker. Alright, our turkey face is done. Next, onto the feathers. I've collected some leaves from my yard and just gonna play till I find an arrangement I like. We're almost done here, but stay tuned through the end to see a couple cute embellishments to kick this craft up a notch. I'll glue the leaves together and then glue the backside of my clothespin turkey to the leaves. Slip in your name card and there you have it in a snap. If you're going for style points, here are a couple quick and easy embellishments to kick this craft up a notch. First, using some gold tape, I'm just going to frame out the name on the card on a second sheet of paper. This does not need to be perfect. Once it's framed out on all 4 sides, I'll take my scissors and cut along the perimeter of the tape to give it a nice frame. Thanks, little turkey. You look great. Oh, but wait. Remember the glitter I was teasing you about? Here's one last bit of polish. Using school glue, I traced over the main leaf veins on the larger leaf, then sprinkled on a thin coat of gold glitter. On the smaller leaf, I put a very thin coat of glue along the perimeter and used this amazing Hemway craft glitter in a rust color to give it a really cool fall sparkle. I assembled in the same fashion as before, and voila! This little turkey is ready to hit the table. If you've enjoyed this snappy project, be sure to hit subscribe to be notified of our latest home and holiday tutorial releases. Happy Thanksgiving!